I love this. Law-lywood.
A lot going on.
Craig Ashton back in the building with us to talk. We're talking First Amendment.
First Amendment.
And sometimes it doesn't actually work the way people think it does.
Yeah, so a lot of times people get it confused.
Yeah.
So there's a great statement which is, I disagree with what you say, but I'll fight to the death your right to say it.
Okay.
Most people think Voltaire said that, but it is Evelyn Beatrice Hall.
Oh.
A woman, so girl power.
Yeah.
Girl power.
So she was a 19th and 20th century writer. Voltaire was 17th and 18th.
Got it.
And she wrote a biography on Voltaire. So that is what the First Amendment kind of embodies.
Okay.
So the idea is that people get it wrong. And Papa John's is a good example. So Papa John's is trying to sell pizza. And he's the CEO and chairman of the board of Papa John's until recently. So he decided to take a position on the NFL taking a knee.
Correct.
Which, hey, you can do that at a barbecue, but if you're trying to sell pizza, you're going to alienate part of your customer base, period, end of story. It's like you don't talk about politics or religion at Thanksgiving. I mean, it's just not a thing to do.
Safe to stay away from those.
Yeah, stay away from that, especially if you're trying to sell pizza. Then he used a racially charged phrase that's usually used with African Americans on a conference call. Then the board of directors finally said, look, we've had enough. You're alienating our customer base, and you're basically cutting into our sales. So at that point, what happened was he resigned as chairman, and it shows that he's not shielded by the First Amendment for saying stupid things.
Okay.
And then we have Josh Hader, which when he was 17, so some people call him Hater instead of Hater, and misogynistic, homophobic, KKK, white power, tweeting it. So he basically only got to do some discrimination seminars. And but he was still basically punished by the Major League Baseball. He was not shielded by the First Amendment from saying stupid things.
Okay.
And even though he was under 18, so he wasn't an adult when he said these things.
The reason he got a slap on the wrist, in my opinion, is he was only 17.
Okay.
Because these were made back in 2011, and here they were just revealed.
Still, when you're 17 and you're KKK and white power, you know, I don't know at 17.
17, you know what you're saying.
But he gets a pass as a result of that.
Okay.
And so the last one is the vice mayor of Dixon. So the vice mayor of Dixon had a gay pride flag with a line through it. Says that gay people ultimately have an inferiority complex, use homophobic slurs, thought it would be funny to talk about gay or straight Pride Month. And he did this in the Independent Voice.
Yes.
And this is an independent voice because nobody else really shares it. So ultimately, because he works for the government, he is shielded by the First Amendment, protected to use that language, because the government can't step in and remove him. So only the voters can, through recall or through voting him out in November. So here's the moral of the story. If you're on an airplane, if you're in an employment setting, if you're at a barbecue, and you say something that people don't like in a private setting, you can be taken off the plane, removed from the barbecue, and you can be fired. But if you're in Cesar Chavez Park, and you talk about the KKK, or Black Lives Matter, the government cannot come in and basically remove you based upon your content. So the difference is private environments, ultimately you're not free to say what you want because there could be consequence. When you're in a public setting, the government cannot stop you from saying it. So hopefully, this has improved your Jeopardy game. You're going to be the most interesting conversationalist at your next dinner party.
Well, at least we know the answer to the Voltaire question.
Yeah, I know, right? Exactly.
We know that.
I was going to say,
as she's reclaiming her time.
Voltaire, false.
False. Is it Evelyn? Is that her name? Evelyn?
They try to fool us.
So when you are the most interesting conversationalist at your next dinner party, listeners, remember Ashton and Price.
There you go.
There you go.
Don't think twice.
Always great to
Always good to see you, Craig. Seriously, man.